Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, Amazon EKS, a service to deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications using Kubernetes on AWS. We will talk about the key features, benefits, use cases, as well as how Amazon EKS works on both AWS and on-premises data centers. Let's get started. Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, Amazon EKS, is a fully managed Kubernetes service to run Kubernetes in the AWS cloud and on-premises data centers. Amazon EKS makes it easy to deploy, manage, and scale containerized applications using Kubernetes. It runs the Kubernetes management infrastructure on multiple AWS availability zones to eliminate a single point of failure. Applications running on any standard Kubernetes environment are fully compatible and can be easily migrated to Amazon EKS. In other words, if you are already running a containerized application using Kubernetes on premises, then this can be readily migrated to AWS. Let's talk about the benefits of Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, Amazon EKS. Amazon EKS offers the following benefits for an organization: AWS service integration, Kubernetes cost savings, and automated Kubernetes control plane security. Let's elaborate each of these benefits of Amazon EKS. AWS service integration. Many AWS services are integrated with Amazon EKS. You can leverage built-in integrations with AWS services such as Amazon EC2, Amazon VPC, Amazon EBS, IAM, and more. Kubernetes cost savings. Amazon EKS is a fully managed service. As a result, you can reduce costs with efficient compute resource provisioning and automatic Kubernetes application scaling. Automated Kubernetes control plane security. Since Amazon EKS is a fully managed service, it ensures a more secure Kubernetes environment with security patches automatically applied to your cluster's control plane. Now let's talk about the use cases for Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, Amazon EKS. Amazon EKS supports the following use cases, which cover the need of a broad range of customers: deploy across hybrid environments, model machine learning ML workflows, and build and run web applications. Let's talk about each of these use cases for Amazon EKS. Deploy across hybrid environments. Manage your Kubernetes clusters and applications in hybrid environments and run Kubernetes in your on-premises data centers. Model machine learning ML workflows. Efficiently run distributed training jobs using the latest Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2 GPU-powered instances, including Inferentia, and deploy training and inferences using Kubeflow. Build and run web applications. Create applications that automatically scale up and down and run in a highly available configuration across multiple availability zones with out-of-the-box networking and security integrations. Excellent. Now let's see how Amazon EKS works in the AWS cloud. Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, Amazon EKS, is a managed Kubernetes service to run Kubernetes in the AWS cloud and on-premises data centers. In the cloud, Amazon EKS automatically manages the availability and scalability of the Kubernetes control plane nodes responsible for scheduling containers, managing applications availability, storing cluster data, and other key tasks. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of Amazon EKS and integrations with other AWS services when it runs in the AWS cloud. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding of how Amazon EKS works in the AWS cloud within an application environment. Now let's see how Amazon EKS works in the on-premises data centers. In the on-premises data centers, Amazon EKS provides a consistent, fully supported Kubernetes solution with integrated tooling and simple deployment to AWS outposts, virtual machines, or bare metal servers. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of Amazon EKS and integrations with on-premises applications and services. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding of how Amazon EKS works in the on-premises data centers. In conclusion, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, Amazon EKS, is the most trusted way to start, run, and scale Kubernetes in the AWS cloud and on-premises data centers. That's all about Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, Amazon EKS. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.